Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your insurance reach with American Family step by step clearly. Start by identifying your target audience. Research their demographics, interests, and insurance needs. Create tailored marketing materials that resonate with your audience. Utilize American Family's branding guidelines for consistency. Leverage social media platforms to reach potential clients. Post engaging content that showcases your expert knowledge in insurance. Consider running targeted ads to enhance your visibility. Set up a dedicated website or landing page for your services. Ensure the website is user-friendly and mobile responsive. Include clear calls to action on your website. Network within your local community to build relationships. Attend community events and offer free insurance workshops. Collaborate with local businesses for cross-promotion opportunities. Utilize American Family's resources and training programs for agents. Stay updated with industry trends and changes to competitive advantage. Implement email marketing campaigns to nurture leads. Segment your email list to provide personalized content to different groups. Ask for referrals from satisfied clients to expand your reach. Follow up with past clients periodically to maintain relationships. Monitor and analyze your marketing efforts regularly. Adjust your strategies based on performance metrics and feedback. Invest in professional development to sharpen your skills and knowledge. Consider utilizing client management software to streamline your process. Prioritize excellent customer service to enhance client satisfaction. Encourage client reviews and testimonials to build credibility. Stay engaged with the American Family community for ongoing support. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your insurance reach with American Family. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.